Okay, so the larvae are underground for 17 years, and they crawl out of the ground, they crawl onto these plants close to the ground, and they crawl out of this exoskeleton, leave those behind, and then they crawl up into the tops of the trees until their wings dry. Then they fly around until they find a mate, they mate, and then they die. Here's a couple adults also. Right there is what they look like. This one may have just crawled out of that exoskeleton and waiting for his wings to dry. And then he'll fly and mate for the next couple weeks, and then they die. Those nasty red eyes. Here's a bunch more adults. Waiting for their wings to dry, and then they'll fly away. There's millions of them. You can still hear them in the background. Pretty crazy. Once every 17 years. There's a bunch more up here.